Okay, this is Patrick Linney, and I am doing the Lecheros principle. And I already got some of the stuff set up, as I can see right here. I already got the magnesium chloride and the phenolphthalein, and I have those mixed in. I have 5 drops in C1 and C2, and I have 10 drops in C3 and C4. I've added 1 drop of phenolphthalein to each one, and then I'm going to stir with my toothpick. I'm seeing some like a white, changing it to like a white color. And just to show you here, I have my hot bath, and now I have my cold bath. Again, I apologize for the moving of the camera. I'm trying to make it as still as possible. Try not to move on you very much, so I try to set up some of it. As you can see, I already have the other solutions set up in order of how they need to be put in. So here we're going to go ahead and add the sodium hydroxide, and we're going to do 5 drops into each well. So here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2, 3, 4, 5. And as you can tell, it's pink. So now that we're done with that solution, now we're going to take our hydrochloric acid, and we're going to, I need to stir. I need to do it with the clean end, which will be this end. So there we go, stirring it up, it's pink, definitely pink. So I would say that it's equalizing, or equilibrium, or whatever. Hydrochloric acid is next, and we're going to put this into well C1. We're going to add 1 drop. And stir, and then we're going to record. I have a new toothpick over here. Okay, as you can tell, after stirring, it has now turned C1 from pink back to its original color, white. Continue to add HCl drop by drop until C1, until you see a color change. I actually only needed to add 1 drop, and I saw the color change. Add 1 drop of EDTA to C2. Stir and record your observations. Continue to add drop by drop until you see the color change. So I'm just going to add 1 drop first, and then I'm going to stir. And as you can tell, 1 drop was not enough, so I'm going to add another drop. Went ahead and added 2 drops. It's starting to change, but it's still pink, so I'm going to go ahead and add 2 more drops. It's fading. Went ahead and tripled that to 4. Okay. 2, 2, 2, so 6. I did 10 drops, and the color is faded. I'm going to add 1 more. Actually, I added 2 more, so I did 12 drops to get that back to its original color. Okay. Next, I'm going to use the pipette, and I'm going to get the C3 mixture. Okay, I got this. You can tell. I don't know if that's going to be enough. Hopefully it is. And I need to take this and carefully through the mixture of the bowl. We need to place the pipette from step 8 in the hot water bath. So I'm going to go ahead and set this in the hot water bath. And it's floating. I think I need to, hold on a second. Okay, I'm back. As you can tell, what I did is I added this coffee spoon to the pipette. I'm going to let that sit in the hot water bath. And then now I need to do the same thing for C4, except I'm going to put C4 into the cold water bath. So let me get another coffee spoon. Okay, so as you can tell, I have both of the pipettes. They're both, one is in hot water and one is in cold. And we're gonna leave them in there. We go ahead and leave those in there and switch them after about 10 minutes. Trying to kind of observe what happens here. It's been about 10 minutes, so now I'm going to switch the solutions. First I'm going to try to observe here what exactly I'm seeing. I don't know, it looks like there's little pieces of the solution. It's not all liquid. But then again, I don't know, so I'm going to put this. I'm gonna lay that down for a second. I'm gonna pull out the one that's in the ice bath real quick. Spilled my ice bath. They look very similar, although as you can tell, there's more pressure from the one that's cold. So now I have those other ones in. I've switched them. I guess just kind of observe what happens now. I don't know. I don't know. I'm not seeing a whole lot. I mean, looks like the solutions compared to the old is. Looks like there's less. Actually, they look pretty similar. Anyways, that's the end of part 1.